Hello student, Namaste Sabajanalai. So today in this video I am going to teach you about modes of nutrition in plants, or we can say I am going to deal about a short topic from this chapter, modes of nutrition in plants. That is, and the short topic is about parasitic plants, parasitic plants, that is total stem parasite, total root parasite. So basically in this video I am going to provide you the tricks to remember the examples of those parasitic plants. So let's move into the topic. So in first I will cover the root parasite. So in first we have total root parasite, and the trick is ROBS, that is ROBS. So the first is R. So R means Rafflesia, RAFF, LESIA Rafflesia. O means Orovaque, and B means Blanophora, and S means Striga, and in second I will provide the trick for partial root parasite. So for this the trick is STP. So here S means Santalum, T means Thesium, and P means partial root parasite. So this is the trick for total root parasite and total partial root parasite. But if you get confusion to remember these types of trick, so there is one statement also, so you can remember the statement as well. So the statement for the root parasite is, for both total and partial, the statement is ट्रिप में 12 जाओ और द सांता देखो। ट्रिप में 12 जाओ और सांता देखो, that is total root parasite, Blanophora, Rafflesia, and these two are the example of total root parasite. And the next is for partial root parasite, Thesium and Santalum. So TH is Thesium and Santa means Santalum. So this is for partial. And total root parasite, TRP, trip, total root parasite, we have Bara. This is the place name. So BA means Blanophora, RA means Rafflesia. And the one disadvantage of this is, for total root parasite there is the trick for only the names of two, that is Blanophora and Rafflesia, and these two are important. So you can remember any of these tricks. If you get easy, remember ropes or STP, or you can remember as ट्रिप में 12 जाओ और द सांता देखो. And now let's move into the stem parasite. So in stem parasite, first I will discuss about total stem parasite. total stem parasite. So for total stem parasite, the trick is CATS, cats. CATS. So C means Cuscuta. A means Archeuthobium. And TS means total stem parasite. And now let's move into the partial stem parasite. And the trick is, remember low V. So in first, LO means Loranthus, and V means Viscum. So this all about the tricks for the total root parasite or root parasite and both stem parasite. So this is the important topic. Examiner, this is the frequently asked questions in NEET or any medical entrance. So remember these all properly, and now you can remember it easily with the trick. So take the screenshot, my dear student, take the screenshot, and thank you for the class.